So let's read the question. If the mth term of an AP be 1 by n and the nth term be 1 by m, then show that its mnth term is 1. Now what I've observed is most of the students, when they read this question, they get really scared because they don't see any numbers, right? So they get confused and they leave this question. Don't worry at all. It's a really simple question. Just go step by step and you easily get the answer. See, we'll begin with the solution. The first step is always write down what is given to you. So see, we are given the mth term. So mth term means am of an APB 1 by n. So the mth term is given to us as 1 by n. Next, the nth term. So nth term is given to us as 1 by m. So the first step is always write down what is given to you. So we're given the mth term is 1 by n and the nth term is 1 by m. Now see, an AP is uniquely determined by two things, first term and common difference. So how many variables? 2. To get 2 variables, how many equations do I need? 2. 2 equation means 2 conditions. See, we're given 2 conditions over here. So all we have to do is just solve these 2 conditions for A and D. Once we have A and D, we can get any term we want. So see, what is the mth term of an AP? A plus m minus 1 into D is given to us as 1 by n. Is this clear? Similarly, nth term means A plus n minus 1 into D is 1 by m. I repeat once again, the mth term means a plus m minus 1 to d, and term a plus n minus 1 to d. So I'll call this equation number 1 and I'll call this equation number 2. So I'll write them one below the other, right? So we have a plus n minus 1 into d is 1 by m, right? So now we basically have 2 variables over here, a and d. So we basically want to solve for a and d. So how do I solve for a and d? If you observe the coefficient of a and the coefficient of a is the same over here, when coefficients are the same, just subtract the 2 equations. So I'll do equation number 1 minus equation number 2. So equation 1 minus equation 2 means LHS of equation 1 minus LHS of equation 2 in bracket a plus n minus 1 to d is equal to RHS of equation 1 minus RHS of equation 2. So let's open this. A plus m into d, md, minus 1 to d, minus d, minus, let's first simplify this, a plus n into d, nd, minus 1 to d, minus d. 1 by n minus 1 by m, just cross multiply, 1 into m, m, minus 1 into n, n, minus 1 into n, n, upon mn. Is this clear? So let's open the bracket. So a plus md minus d, minus into a, minus into plus nd, minus nd, minus into minus d plus d is equal to m minus n upon mn. So as you can see, a and minus a cancel out, minus d and plus d cancel out. So I'll continue it over here. So basically we have md minus nd is equal to m minus n by mn. I repeat, I've just continued this over here. I can take d common from here. So we get m minus n is equal to m minus n by mn. So what is the value of d we get? M minus n upon mn. M minus n comes over here. So into 1 upon m minus n. I repeat, m minus n comes here. So this and this cancel. So we get the value of d as 1 by mn. So we have got the value of d. D is equal to 1 by mn. Now how do we get the value of a? Simply plug in this value of d in any of the equations. You'll get the value of a. So what I'm going to do is, let's say I take equation number 1. So we have a plus m minus 1 into d is 1 by n. So place this value of d over here. So a plus m minus 1 into d. What is the value of d we have? 1 by mn. So 1 by mn is equal to 1 by n. It's just a bit complex equation solving, right? Otherwise it's very easy. So we get a plus m into 1 by mn. So m by mn minus 1 to this minus 1 by mn is equal to 1 by n. Is this clear? So m and m cancel. So we get a plus 1 by n minus 1 by mn is equal to 1 by n. I repeat, this m and n cancel, so we get 1 by n. So take 1 by n over there. So a minus 1 by mn is equal to 1 by n plus 1 by n on the other side become minus 1 by n. So a minus 1 by mn is equal to 0. So a is equal to 1 by mn. So we've got the values of both a and d. A is 1 by mn, d is also 1 by mn. Let me do a recap so far. See, these two conditions were given to us. So we got these two equations. Now just solve these two equations for a and d. First, the coefficient of a was same. So I just subtracted the two equations. We got the value of d. Once you have d, plug this value of d either here or here. Solve for a, we get the value of a. Now what do we have to show? We have to show its mnth term. So what is the mnth term? So mnth term is a plus mn minus 1 into d. I repeat, what is the nth term? A plus n minus 1 to d. So mth term, whatever you have over here, you'll put it over here. Now just plug in the values. So what is the value of a? 1 by mn plus mn minus 1 into d. What is the value of d? 1 by mn. So what did I do? I just plugged in the values of a and d. So solve this. 1 by mn plus mn into 1 by mn is mn by mn. Minus 1 to this is minus 1 by mn. So this and this becomes 1. 1 by nn minus 1 by n is 0. So we get the answer as 1. I repeat, see, this and this cancel out. Mn by mn is 1. So amn, that is the mnth term, is equal to 1. Hence proved. So hence you have shown the mth term is equal to 1. So this is how you solve such type of question. So I repeat, just go step by step. Begin with what is given to you. Two conditions, hence two equations. Solve these two equations for a and d. D is 1 by mn, a is 1 by mn. Once you have a and d, you can get any term of the AP. So we want the mnth term. Write down the formula for mnth term. Plug in the values of a and d and solve. We get the mnth term is equal to 1. Right? So this is how you tackle such type of problems. So don't be scared when you read these questions. Remember, if two conditions are given to you, you basically have to solve for a and d. Solve for a and d. Write down the formula, plug in the values, you'll get whichever term you want, right? So this is how you solve such type of questions.